It is early morning. The room is quiet and warm. My alarm clock shows 6 o'clock.
It is still very early.
I open my eyes slowly.
You can rest a little more.
I sit up and take a deep breath.
Good morning, Anna.
Mark is still sleeping peacefully.
The bed feels very comfortable.
I stand up and stretch gently.
Take your time.
The hallway is quiet and calm.
The house is very still.
I walk slowly to the kitchen.
The morning feels peaceful.
The kitchen is dark and silent.
No one is awake yet.
I reach for the curtains.
Let the light come in.
Warm sunlight fills the kitchen.
The day is starting.
The sky is pink and blue.
It looks beautiful.
I see birds in the trees.
I hear them singing.
I breathe in the fresh air.
It feels very nice.
The morning feels calm and gentle.
It is a good start to the day.
I see the coffee machine on the counter.
Coffee sounds good.
I pour hot coffee into my mug.
It smells great.
Steam rises from the cup.
It looks warm.
I hold the cup with both hands.
That will wake you up.
I sit by the window with my coffee.
Enjoy this quiet moment.
The sunlight touches my face.
The light is soft.
The neighborhood is very quiet.
Everyone is still sleeping.
I feel relaxed and peaceful.
You look calm.
The kitchen clock is ticking slowly.
Time moves gently in the morning.
I take a slow sip of coffee.
No rush today.
I prepare breakfast ingredients.
I will join you soon.
The eggs are ready.
They look fresh.
The bread is next to the toaster.
I like toast in the morning.
The fruit is fresh and colorful.
Emma will like that.
The kitchen feels warm and bright.
It feels like home.
I crack the eggs into the pan.
Breakfast is almost ready.
The eggs are frying gently.
They smell good.
I put the bread into the toaster.
I like it crispy.
I cut the fruit neatly.
Thank you, Anna.
I set the plates on the table.
Everything looks nice.
Good morning, Mom.
Good morning, Emma.
I feel a little sleepy.
That's okay.
I want a hug.
Come here.
Good morning, Emma.
Good morning, Dad.
I am happy to see you.
Me too.
I read the newspaper.
Take your time. We sit together at the table.
Family time is important.
Breakfast looks simple and nice.
I am hungry. The food tastes good.
I'm glad you like it.
This is a warm morning.
Yes, very warm. It is 8 o'clock.
Time to go.
I put on my backpack.
Let me check it. Your lunchbox is ready.
Thank you, Mom.
I fix your backpack straps.
It feels better now.
I put on my jacket.
Have a good day.
Goodbye, Anna.
See you later.
I am leaving now.
Bye, Dad.
We stand by the door.
I am ready. Goodbye, Mom.
Have a good day. I wave to Emma.
I wave back.
The door closes softly.
The house feels quiet.
The house is empty again. The living room is quiet. Sunlight fills the room. I enjoy the silence. I wash the dishes. Water runs over the plates. I wipe the table. I sweep the floor slowly. I water the plants. The leaves are green. Flowers are near the window. I make the bed. I open the bedroom windows. The curtains move gently. I open the washing machine. I put the clothes inside. The machine starts. I listen to music.
Melody slightly to terms.
I smile while working.
Vocal humming.
I hang the laundry outside. The clothes move in the wind. I check the fridge.
Melody slightly develops.
I write a shopping list.
Remain soft and airy.
I place my shopping bag on the table. I put on my jacket. I walk down the quiet street.
Lonely piano.
I arrive at the supermarket.
Gentle humming returns.
I choose vegetables. Bread and milk are in my basket. I unpack the groceries at home. I cut vegetables for dinner. I sit with a cup of tea.
Slowly fades out.
I lie in bed peacefully.